What is up, guys? I'm back on this 30-foot water taxi, and that pile of stuff is what came out of this deck. Pretty nasty, wet. It's dry at this point, I imagine. So this half, we've got first layer of fiber coming down the walkway, and on this front section we've got all the coring installed, and just about ready after grinding, just about ready for the top coat of fiber. I'm probably going to bond in the coring in this section first before I do any of that. I did actually have a leak going on. I kind of put this ramp here. I put extra tape up top. I had a big hole here that someone tried to fix. There's a few little holes here and there, you know. Let's go. So I had a constant leak here. I was a little hesitant to even throw fiber here right now, but you know, the show must go on. So I don't know, I've got this little ramp here to try to get the water, which is also problematic. When I leave, I've got to seal this doorway up, which also has a leak, but so far the leak has been running. You can even see where you can see it. It's all dry now, but you can see the water marks here too. All the dust where it settles is where the water's been, and it runs off right down that edge down into here, makes that wet. You know what I mean? So I got these little pieces cut out. This gets all wet and drains into the well there. So it's not getting it's not affecting much, but that's enough. So I'm not even sure what I'm going to do yet about that. I've got most of the leaks sealed off or pinpointed at this point. So whatever. I'm working my way back is what I'm doing. This has no issues, so first things first, I guess, right? Do what I can do. So it's basically the whole deck. The only solid part is those pieces there, which I'm gonna have to bag up here eventually. Well, I won't be able to take those out until the boat is unwrapped and all that, because it'll just be huge bags in this tiny door. It's not doing that. So, but either way, this dried up nicely. It took a month to dry this deck out. Everything's pretty solid otherwise. So once we get that top layer on, it'll be nice and new. And I'm actually gonna layer the whole top everywhere, even these. There's a few panels that are like this needs to be. This was obviously broken, but it needs to be put back together and re-cored. The core is fine. I might work with that, but we'll see. But most of these hatches are good, perfectly fine where they were. So I'm not really messing with those. It's only these areas, which is the entire area really. But I'm gonna glass the whole thing nonetheless, the entire deck. Once this is all said and done, I'll glass the top of the panels too, just to meet the height difference. So in any case, that's where I'm at today. It's a little, it's really nasty out today actually, and cold. So I'm gonna move off to another job where it's inside. I'm gonna do some glass work there. Just kind of leave this alone today. In any case, if you'd like to see how this does end up, please subscribe. You get notifications for this and for other jobs like the one I'm headed to. And I've actually got another one of these, exactly the same thing to do, same exact issue. You can tune in for that. And several other projects. Again, thanks for watching.